dropping one by one, floating in the air. Canta A is for apple, shiny and red. Canta B is for ball, bounce it on your head. Canta C is for cat, say meow, meow, meow. Canta D is for dog, take a little bow. Crack, crack, crack the egg, letters jump with glee. Learning ABCs is fun, come and sing with me. Canta E is for elephant, big and tall. Canta F is for fish, swimming in the pool. Canta G is for goat, munch, munch, munch. Canta H is for hat, wear it for lunch. Crack, crack, crack the egg, what will come out next? I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. Canta J is for juice, drink it as a treat. Canta K is for kite, flying so high. Canta L is for lion, roaring to the sky. Canta L is for monkey, swinging on trees. Canta N is for nest, birds say please. T-O is for orange, juicy and round. Canta P is for parrot, talking loud sounds. Canta clack, crack the egg, keep the fun alive. Canta Q is for queen, wearing a crown. Canta R is for rabbit, hopping around. Canta S is for sun, shining bright. Canta T is for tiger, stripes just right. Canta U is for umbrella, open wide. Canta V is for van, let's go for a ride. Canta W is for well